Government of Jamaica is allowing some of these conglomerates, some of these companies to be ripping off poor Jamaican and the middle income earners, the backbones of Jamaica. Is appalling, man. Crazy. The government needs to do something to protect monstrous price hiking that these companies are inflicting on the Jamaican people. How long will they be able to bear it, man? How long? How long will the Jamaican poor people and the middle income people be able to withstand this monster of price gouging that some of these people, companies that are inflicting on the citizens of Jamaica, while the government stand aside with the lobbyists funneling money in their pockets, while the people of Jamaica is feeling the full brunt of what's going on, when the rich man is able to go in the supermarket and get the big stuff, while they want the poor people to go down to the retail store and buy retail flour, retail rice, retail sugar, retail salt, retail bleach, retail fabric softener, retail dishwashing liquid, retail cooking oil. They want the poor people to buy all retail stuff, while the rich man is able to buy the high-end commodities. Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Manix Robinson TV, and we are back at it again. If this is your first time tuning in to my channel, hit that post notification bell, leave a comment, subscribe, like. Why does I sound as if I'm saying it backward? It's okay. If this is your first time tuning in my channel, like, share, subscribe, leave a comment, hit that post notification bell that you won't miss a video. So beautiful viewers, beautiful subscribers, Happy New Year to all of you, my wonderful subscribers and wonderful viewers. Riches, blessings, and prosperity, and all good luck follow you guys for 2024. Courageous, nice and warm. Yes, but fun and joke aside, guys, getting ready to pack a barrel to send to Jamaica, to send some food down there, because guys, food is expensive in Jamaica. No joke about it, guys. No joke. The other day, I went down to Jamaica. I was down in Jamaica for a week. I went to the supermarket 2 times in the 1 week, and it cost me 100,000 Jamaican dollar just to go to supermarket alone. No joke about it, guys. 100,000 Jamaican dollar I spent in a week. I had to go to the supermarket 2 times in 1 week. I look at the stuff that I bought, and I have to be saying to myself, where is the money? Where is the stuff that the money bought? I am looking in the little bags, and the craziest thing about it, guys, I didn't even push one of those big shopping carts, but I spent 100,000 Jamaican dollars to buy food. When I went home, I have to be saying to myself, did somebody stole one of my bags, or 2 of my bags, or 3 of my bags? Because I sure don't see $100,000 worth of food stuff. I don't know what's going on, guys, but I tell you guys, if any of you, my lovely viewers, are planning on going to Jamaica on vacation, or to visit your loved ones or relatives, blase, guess what? Make sure you pack one of these guys right here and send it ahead of your stay in Jamaica, or you gonna be shocked at the ridiculous prices of basic food, commodities, and household items in Jamaica. It is crazy in Jamaica with food prices. I don't know what is going on, and I don't know why the government is allowing those price gougers, supermarket owners, to be ripping off the Jamaican people like that. It is unheard of. That is totally unethical to be seriously abusing, ripping off the Jamaican people like that. And some of them, they have the audacity. Oh, food prices, food is expensive everywhere, and a dollar is a dollar. Nonsense. Don't let them fool you, guys. Don't let them fool you. Don't let them fool you. For those of us know better, we know what's going on. Some of these companies that own supermarkets in Jamaica, some of them are lobbyists to the Jamaican government. Some of them lobby the Jamaican government to be getting away with a lot of the price gouging that they're going on with. And the crazy thing about it, the middle income earners of any country, they are the backbone of any society. They are the ones that balance the rich, and they are the ones that balance the poor. And everywhere you go in society, the government of every country seem to forget that the middle income earners of every country are the ones that are balancing the economy of every country. And government is gutting the middle income earners. They don't really care about the poor. The poor, please, they don't really care about the poor. Certain countries will have safety net to protect the least fortunate of their society or of their country. But I tell you, going to some country, people see poor people and they just step over them. They don't care. Enough said, guys. Right now, I am buying up stuff to send to Jamaica because I am going to Jamaica on vacation, me and my family, and I am buying up stuff to send ahead for a vacation because I am not gonna let what happened to me the other day happen again. And me, I have a wife. I have to be careful what I'm saying because she's in the laundry room, so I have to whisper. I have a wife. When she sees something that she don't like, she don't care. She just blurt it out and say what she have to say. So I don't want to be the recipient of her wrath and anger. So guess what? To prevent what happened to me to happen, inflation is gripping the world, but certain countries that import majority of the product that their citizen consume is feeling the pinch more greater, like Jamaica. So when I'm going to Jamaica, guys, because it seems as if the government in Jamaica is not regulating these supermarket owners or these companies that are providing basic food and household commodities to the Jamaican people. It seems like the government of Jamaica don't have nothing in place to oversee or to monitor how they are conducting their business in Jamaica. Jamaica right now seems like it's a free-for-all. Any businessman can come in Jamaica and rip off the Jamaican people. Some of these supermarket owners, some of these companies, some of these big conglomerates in Jamaica, some of them have lobbied the Jamaican government in such way that the little man and the middle income earners of Jamaica has been taken away by the wave of inflation, price gouging, price increase, and all of these ridiculous things that it seems as if the government of Jamaica is turning a blind eye to. The other day, they say that they increased the minimum wage. What? The minimum wage is what? $15,000? Since they had increased the minimum wage, the world has been hit with a massive, gigantic inflation monster. So if you just got $15,000 minimum wage increase last year, and this ginormous inflation monster that crept up on the world and start gobble up all of these salary increase and all of these minimum wage increase. When you look at it, the so-called minimum wage increase that a lot of Jamaicans have gotten has dissipated like the myth. It's like the Jamaican poor people didn't get a minimum wage hike because the companies have been given a free rein to be raising price over and 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 over. And it seems as if the government of Jamaica has put their hands in their pockets because the lobbyists that are lobbying them has been lining their pocket, so they just sit silent and watching the poor class and the middle income families of Jamaica get swept away by this massive typhoon of inflation. And the government is sitting upon the Blue Mountain Peak looking down, watching the poor people and the middle income people get swept away out in the ocean. So the government is getting their cut from the lobbyists, and then the lobbyists is getting paid from these big conglomerates and from these companies, and then the companies are ripping off the Jamaican people. So everybody else is a win-win for them except the middle class and the poor people of Jamaica. I tell you, any of my overseas Jamaicans, whether if you're planning on visiting Jamaica, pack a barrel or you're gonna regret it. No joke about it. And there's a lot of people that will be watching this video and they may be cherry picking certain part of it and be saying, oh, this guy is crazy, he doesn't know what he's talking about. Jamaica should eat what they grow and grow what they eat. We all know that Jamaica cannot feed itself. The generation that is come up, the Jamaican, whether they call it the generation Z or the generation X, don't eat cassava and breadfruit and banana and dumpling and dashing and all of these stuff every day. People, they want biscuit, pancake, they want cereal and pancake for breakfast. Ain't no mother want to be getting up and be standing in front of no wood fire or stove for 1 hour or half an hour cooking chicken back or hotting up a can of mackerel or frying a egg or ray. It is modern time, guys. It is get in and get out. No politician in Jamaica not getting up and cooking banana and dumpling and chicken back for breakfast at morning time. Government of Jamaica should make sure that these companies that are operating supermarkets and are selling food commodities to the Jamaican people, the government of Jamaica should make sure that it's a level field in which it's not only the company that benefit, it's not only the lobbyists that benefit, it's not only the politician that benefit, but the Jamaican people, the poor Jamaican people, the middle income people of Jamaica are benefiting from all what is going on in Jamaica. I tell you guys, if you get $15,000 for your pay and you go into the supermarket and there's some people have the audacity to want to tell you that, oh, you should eat what you grow and grow what you eat. The same person that are telling you that you should eat what you grow and grow what you eat. Watch them when they go to the supermarket. Look in their cart, what they have in their cart. Look how their cart is full up with the brim. You ain't seen no cassava, no green plantain, no banana, right? You ain't seen no cocoa. You ain't seen no dasheen or no badu in their cart. You seen biscuits miss. You seen raisin bran, apple juice. You seen ocean spray, cranberry juice, croutons, granola, protein, tides. You seen Mr. Clean, Gain, palm olive. Those are the stuff that you are seeing in the big guy's cart, while they want you to go down to Mr. Chin down in the market and buy retail soap, retail bleach, retail oil, buy rice, second, third quality rice that is full of stone, gravel, and all stuff and nonsense. They want you to go down by the market and buy all type of retail stuff while they are able to go into the supermarket with their big cart buying up the items that they can afford, and then they want the poor man to go and buy the riffraff. Nonsense, guys. The government of Jamaica should do better for the Jamaican people. The rich guy can afford it, but the middle income earners of Jamaica are paying the full price. They are taking the blunt. The poor people, the poor man, they want the poor man to so-called eat what he grows, but they don't want the poor man to go into the supermarket and can buy a big gallon of oil. They want the poor man to go down into the market, down a Mr. Chin, and buy oil in a plastic bag. The rich man ain't buying oil in plastic bag, guys. The rich man ain't buying retail soap, retail bleach, retail air freshener, retail disinfectant. The rich man ain't buying that. They want the poor guy to buy it. And some of those stuff are stuff that come in Jamaica which the government or the Bureau of Standards don't investigate, and some of those stuff are what is killing off the Jamaican people. Guys, if you're going to Jamaica, listen to me, man. Listen to me. I went down there and I tried to buy a oil like this. It's for more than $1,000. I got this oil. Look at this. You see them? Here they are. One for me, one for my mother, one for my sister, one for my brother. No joke about it. I can only be thinking about myself. I have to also thinking about my family, because I know that, and every time my family can go in a supermarket and pick up a big aisle like this, pick up a nice bottle of Tides detergent. It's not the rich man alone supposed to buy Tides detergent from the supermarket and he can wash his clothes and he smell fresh and nice, while the poor man can only go down in the market, down a Mr. Chin, and buy the retail laundry detergent. And then when he wash his clothes burnt out like he washed it with bleach. The poor man supposed to be able to go in the supermarket and open up a Tides like this and smell it like this and say, wow, I'm going to purchase this to wash my clothes and my kids' clothes. Guys, be honest to yourself. Be honest to yourself. Be honest. Let's talk for a moment. Let's talk, and you can leave it in the comment. How many of you can go in a supermarket in Jamaica and buy a Tides detergent like this? Be honest to yourself. How many of you can go in a supermarket in Jamaica and buy a laundry detergent like this? Can go in one supermarket in Jamaica and buy a Gain fabric softener like this? This right here will take out a big chunk out of your minimum wage. This right here will take out a big chunk out of your minimum wage. Why is it like that? It's not only the rich man or the man who have it supposed to be able to go in the supermarket and pick up a Tide or pick up a Gain, a Quick Mist, ocean spray, cranberry juice, Snuggles, air freshener, which can make their house smell nice and fresh. Every Jamaican should be able to do it. Since I know that if I go to Jamaica with $1,000 US, it's gonna be spent off on food alone. In 1 week, he can't buy detergent to wash my clothes. He can't buy simple dishwashing liquid. We have to wash my dishes. Simple toothpaste. He won't be able to buy toothpaste. Crazy. Certain things not going to happen to me again. If I'm going to Jamaica, we are making sure we pack a barrel with everything that we need. You see that pot up there? You see that pot? That big pot over there? Even that pot is going to Jamaica. Even the charcoal to go in the grill is going to Jamaica. Even my mango margarita is going to Jamaica. What they call this? My Chardonnay is going to Jamaica. No joke about it. Guys, it is crazy. Everybody do their things differently. But as for me, when I am going to Jamaica, I make sure that I put measures in place that when I go to Jamaica, I don't have a migraine. You know, everybody do their things differently, and I don't want nobody to think that I am beating up Jamaica. Jamaica is where I born and grow. I love Jamaica. I invest in my country. Nobody don't get it wrong and thinking that, oh, why you talking about Jamaica? You hate Jamaica, you don't like Jamaica. I invest. I am one Jamaica that live overseas. Invest in my country. I'm not beating up Jamaica. I love my country. But the way how the government of Jamaica is allowing some of these conglomerates, some of these companies to be ripping off the poor Jamaican and the middle income earners, the backbones of Jamaica, is appalling, man. Crazy. The government needs to do something to protect the people of Jamaica from these ridiculous price gouging and these monstrous price hiking that these companies are inflicting on the Jamaican people. How long will they be able to bear it, man? How long? How long will the Jamaican poor people and the middle income people be able to withstand this monster of price gouging that some of these people, companies that are inflicting on the citizens of Jamaica, while the government stand aside with the lobbyists funneling money in their pockets, while the people of Jamaica is feeling the full blunt of what's going on? It's not supposed to be like that, man. It's not supposed to be like that. And they're probably watching me right now, and when I ship my barrel go to Jamaica, they're probably going to hike up the price on my barrel. I don't care. Government need to do something to help out the poor and the middle income people. I know everybody eat cassava and banana and dasheen and badu and cocoa and all of them stuff there. People want to eat the stuff that rich people are eating also. A lot of the rich people in Jamaica now get up and eat ground provision every day. They go to restaurant and they sit down in front of their filet mignon and their big snapper and their big mahi and their big salmon and their lobster and their conch, while they want the poor man to be eating chicken back and steamed callaloo with coconut milk. Nothing is wrong with the people. Nothing is wrong with these healthy food. These ground provisions, don't get me wrong, they are healthy foods. All that I am saying, that don't be saying that Jamaica should eat what they grow when the rich man is able to go in the supermarket and get the big stuff, while they want the poor people to go down to the retail store in the supermarket and buy retail flour, retail rice, retail sugar, retail salt, retail bleach, retail fabric softener, retail dishwashing liquid, retail cooking oil. They want the poor people to buy all retail stuff, while the rich man is able to buy the high-end commodities what they alone can afford. It's not supposed to be like that, guys. But anyway, as I say, guys, I am getting ready to send off these stuff to Jamaica. So guess what? If you want to see how I pack a barrel, you have to stay tuned to the next video, because it's gonna be interesting. Because I'm gonna show you some stuff that you can get cheap in the United States, but in Jamaica they are high-end commodity. For example, like basmati rice and jasmine rice. You can get a 20-pound bag of jasmine rice and basmati rice for $20. In Jamaica, they want to sell you a 2-pound or a 1-pound bag of basmati and jasmine rice for almost $1,000. The craziest thing about it, the other day I went and I said, okay, I'm going to buy some rice because I made the mistake of not shipping a barrel. So I went down there and said, I'm going to buy some jasmine rice. I'll buy some basmati rice. They were on the high shelf. I had to stand up on the lower shelf to reach them, because they're telling me that these commodities is not for regular Jamaicans. They put them way up on the shelf because they are so expensive. No joke about it. Serious. It was cool to reach it. And then I say, okay, when I look at the price, my heart start to palpitate because of the ridiculous price that I saw on the price tag. I say, what? I had to reach for the lower end rice, the rice that when you take it home, you have to pick it out first before you cook it, because if you cook it, the possibility of you biting a rock stone is 100% probability. Those type of rice, what they want the regular man to buy are the leftover rice, the broke rice, the crack up rice that is filled with gravel and stick and stone and all sort of nonsense. Rich man don't buy those type of rice in Jamaica. They want the poor man and the middle income man. That's the type of product they want them to eat. The retail, the leftover stuff. Not supposed to be like that, guys. But anyway, enough long talking. Guys, guess what? We'll get ready. We'll start to pack up our barrel. So, if you want to see how I pack the barrel on the next video, subscribe, like, share, leave a comment, hit that post notification bell that you won't miss a video, because it's gonna be epic. Pack your barrel if you're going to Jamaica on vacation. And yes, you know, some of us, we have some family members in Jamaica that when you go on vacation and you're spending time with them, they are so gluttonous. It's look like they go on fasting when they hear that you are coming on vacation. They want you to take them to supermarket. And if you are not careful, if you're on vacation for 1 week, they want you to go to supermarket every day. They want you to shop for Tim, Jack, Harry, Sue, Faye, Lynn, Jim, everybody. By the time you're done, you have to be saying, me nah come back to Jamaica because all of them down there just want what I have. Not saying that it happened to everybody. And yes, my family members them in Jamaica, I mean, I talk about, you know, I know you may talk about, right? But you have some family members, when you go to Jamaica, they want you to pay their light bill, they want you to pay their water bill, they want you to take them to the doctor, they want you to pay their car insurance. Anywhere that they're taking you, they might tell you, say, oh, you know, so we're going to need some gas. They want you to take them to the supermarket. They want them to take them to the market. They want you to take them out for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. And they don't even do nothing for you. Word for the wise. Anytime that you're going on vacation to Jamaica, sort out yourself. Even if for 1 week you're going to Jamaica for, you can pack your barrel ahead, send it off. You may not eat off all of the food, but you can share some with your family member. When you're leaving, you can give your family member the rest. Or at least when you send it, it can save yourself some money. Because at least your family member will see that you send a barrel. They can get some stuff. Friend can get some stuff. Nobody can come to you and say, let's go to the supermarket. You can tell them, say, hey, the only thing I want is little meat, little scallion, honey, and thyme. You don't, they can trick you. So make sure you pack your barrel, guys. Seriously, pack your barrel. If you can pack a barrel before you go to Jamaica on vacation, please do it, guys. Please. It will save you money, time, and headache. All right, stay tuned for the next video, guys. We're gonna show you how we're gonna pack this barrel, pack it up with a lot of stuff, and send it to Jamaica. All right, if you like this video, guys, like, share, subscribe, hit that post notification bell, because I know the rich man alone to be able to buy tithes and gain. The poor man supposed to be able to pick up can go in the supermarket and pick up a tithe and pick up a gain in Jamaica also. Stay tuned, guys. Next video is gonna be epic. One love from Manix Robinson TV.